Hello, my name is Natalia Andrea Gomez Martinez, and today I'm going to talk about the homework for a speaking task from my subject English 1. I just want you to remember that my group is 302 and my tutor is Carmen Rosenda Sanchez. Tonight I'll be talking about two stages from my homework. The number one is personal information. My name is Natalia Andrea Gomez Martinez. I am 26 years old and I am from Colombia. I live in a small town called El Santuario. Santuario is a pretty nice place to live. People here is happy, gentle, and very polite. The place is very religious and is really safe as well. My family members. I am currently living with my mom and my dad. My mom's name is Giovanni and my dad's name is Jorge, but I also have a young sister called Alejandra. My sister got married 7 years ago and her husband's name is Jimmy. They have two wonderful children and they are so perfect. My nieces' names are Clara and Emilia. Clara is 7 years old and Emilia is 1.5 years old. I am studying Tecnología en Regencia de Farmacia, third semester, but I am also professional in business administration. I like eating all kinds of food and desserts, candies. I love doing exercise, running, walking, swimming, working a lot. I really enjoy spending time with my family and friends, and I really enjoy studying and watching movies. What I dislike, I really dislike getting up early. I'm not a morning person, and I am also dislike onions. Finally, I'll be talking about a past trip. It was Cuba 2019. I went to Cuba with my best friend, Natalie, and we went to visit my cousin, Estefania, and her husband, Juan Diego. Juan Diego is studying in Cuba, and he's studying plastic surgery, and my cousin invited us to go and just have a nice time there. This picture was taken inside the Capitolio. It was our first day when we got there. The Capitolio is such a nice place. There is gold everywhere, in every wall, every lamp, every floor. It's just wonderful. This picture, my cousin took this picture. It reflects tons of happiness. This is a place near to the Capitolio. It is a museum that honors an important dancer from Cuba, and it's pretty nice. The building and the structure and the sculptures, they are pretty nice. They were pretty nice. There were a wonderful store inside those walls. This is the typical landscape in Cuba. There were tons of old buildings and old cars and some tourists. The weather in Cuba was pretty nice. It was mostly very sunny and humid, and we have a couple showers during some days, but it didn't last much. This picture, I took this picture in a street. They were sellmen and they were trying to selling us food. Getting food in Cuba is kind of difficult, also water, and they were trying to sell us apples, very expensive apples. This picture was from outside the Capitolio, such a big building. I was so happy to be there. There were tons of tourists from all places. This is another picture from the Capitolio. The Capitolio was behind me. I was in a window. Such a nice place. So up in the building is full of gold, and they were trying to finish this It's part of the building, so they could already inaugurate the Capitolio. This is what I was talking about, the gold in the Capitolio, inside the Capitolio. This is a picture that proves. The cars. We got a ride in this car, also a taxi. It's pretty expensive, but we have such a nice time in an old car. So cute, so nice. This was in a place that called Galería del Arte. It's the only place, independent place in Cuba. So nice. There were so much discos, music on live, tons of art, pictures, beautiful pictures, amazing artists. Such a nice place. So she's my best friend. We had such a wonderful time. We had the opportunity to eat such a delicious food. The gastronomy there is nice. It's kind of difficult to get food, but some of the food, the typical food, is really good. Ron. I love this picture. It shows a lot of the best thing that happened to us in Cuba, the Ron. We had such a wonderful time. The park. This was a park in Cuba. I don't remember the name of the street, but as you can see, the streets are big and the buildings are so nice and so beautiful. It was so very sunny that day, very hot that day. And this is us, the three of us, having a great time in Cuba and just loving this trip. For the future, I've been waiting 2 years for the opportunity to go to Mexico. So I think I'll be going to Mexico very soon, so I can do the same thing, just having a little bit of fun with my friends or family, and getting to know all these magic places, and taking amazing pictures and eating all kind of gastronomy and food and candies and desserts and everything. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.